Classification of animals. As we all know, whenever we talk about classification of animals, two main groups are come to our mind, that are vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrate animals. All vertebrates have backbone in their body. Most of them have internal skeleton made of bones. Their body has three main parts: head, abdomen, and tail. The brain is present in the skull. They have the great ability to hear, see, smell, taste, and feel. It means they have senses. The blood circulates in the blood vessels of the body. The skin of vertebrate is covered with scales, feathers, or hairs. Animals without backbone are called invertebrate animals. Various types of invertebrates are found on the earth. They do not have any type of bones inside the body. The body structure is of various types. Some are flat, some are round, and some are segmented. The body parts of invertebrates are different in different groups.